that you did a few minutes ago. I see why you married her. Damn, he's hot that night, eh?
Certainly going to be emotional, says she's filled with gratitude and feels fulfilled.
King, this is not the last time we'll see Lily here in Indy. She's also got the 100, her bread and butter, but this 50 right here, certainly the favorite. 30.1 in the prelims, third fastest in the world, always takes it out fast. He gave up the 200 this summer to concentrate on the 50 and the 100. And here she comes. She's not done yet. She's not done yet.
Lily King going to bring it home and wow the crowd again with another national title home in Indiana.
University of Miami quarterbacks, there may never have been more of a quiet leader and winner than Steve Walsh. In 1987, Steve got his opportunity to quarterback the Hurricanes, and all he did was win every game he played. Walsh quarterbacked the Canes to an undefeated 1987 season, capped by a win over Oklahoma in the Orange Bowl to claim the university's second national championship.
Steve Walsh did a great job for our football team. We had a tremendous amount of talent, and a lot of that talent surrounded Steve, but he was a field general, and he was able to utilize all of the talent available. He made sure that we put the ball in the end zone, and he made sure that we played the game in such a way that we didn't lose it before we had a chance to win it. And then on top of that, he was an outstanding leader, and off the field, he was a special person.
In his final season of 1988, Steve led the Hurricanes to an 11-1 record and was a consensus first-team All-American, finishing fourth in the Heisman Trophy balloting. He finished his collegiate career tied with Vinny Testaverde in career touchdown passes with 48.
No timeouts and working against the clock. Down over the middle, touchdown, Miami!
The left-yard pickup, Ware gets out of there again, scrambling for 9 more yards. Glad Bill Belichick, little shell shock there. Here we get Morris. That block led to this. A pass, 19 yards to Reggie Barrett to the score.
Where this will be his first touchdown pass. Wilder. Let's see. Anytime you're successful at a college level the way Andre Ware was with this kind of an offense, you've got to believe when you come back in on this level, it doesn't make any difference. There's still 11 guys out there. You understand his running ability. Here's the quarterback draw. Spots the hole very nicely. Gets to the outside. For a nice 33-yard gain.
The starter at the wide left X position for the third straight year is number 86, Willie Green. After a slow